Hello everyone and welcome to the Blue Blouse channel. If you're new here, I welcome you, and if you're old, I welcome you just the same, because without you, my YouTube door would be closed. So I went away for a little bit and now I'm back. I had my task list this long with some very boring tasks in the name of progress. Alright? But I decided that I'm going to put on back YouTube on it. Sorry for being away so long. So we're gonna start with packages. Who don't like packages? So this one is from Amazon, and let us open it and see what is in it. Obviously it's shoes. So I ordered Clarks online. We can't buy this at Jamaica, so I have to buy it from Amazon, right? So let's see what I ordered. This is a pair of Clarks. And how much did I pay for these? I think it's about maybe $45, no more than that. And these shoes are called the Ashland Bubble. So very boring everyday shoes. So instead of buying a bank robber, I decided to buy shoes that I can clear at customs. So these are what they look like. If you don't know, my shoe size is a size 10.5 or 11, because most of the times shoes don't come in 10.5. Let's be realistic. So I really wear an 11. Alright, so my size ranges from 10 double wide, 10.5 or 11 medium. Yes, those are my sizes. I'm going to put on a shoe and show you what it looks like. This is what one foot looks like. And this is what another foot looks like. So as you can see, Clarks is with the biodegradable trend. Remember these usually come in plastic. But apparently this one is paper. This is a side profile. Moment of truth. Wow. The foot them all lotion. This is what they look like on. They kind of shape weird for my feet, because I should have gotten a wide width shoe. But Clarks, they always stretch anyway. Leather shoes always stretch, so I'm not really concerned about that. My toe isn't fully at the top, but I don't mind my shoes with a little space. These are the shoes. Okay, so let me take my glasses off for this part. The shoe featured in today's video is the Clarks Ashland Bubble, and it is black in color, made of leather upper. So as you can see, the sole has a little height, maybe about an inch, and it has cream colored stitching all around, and this is a regular loafer to me, and it has a tassel style. I got these in an 11 medium, and in other parts of the world this is a UK 8.5D, and of course a US medium 11, and also European 42.5. CN 265. I don't know where in the world that is, but this is a CN 265. I've never heard of that shoe size. And what I like most about this shoe is that it has, you know, that soft padding inside. So I can imagine people who do long standing, like nurses, they would do well with this shoe. Or if you are a secretary that walks here, there and everywhere, this shoe will fit you well. The only thing that I don't like about it, you will hear me complain about the shape over and over again on my flat feet. By the way, I don't have much of an instep, so that is why the shoe looks that way on me, but it is very much comfortable. But you know, this is Clarks, so it's gonna last a long time, and the reviews were very good on Amazon. No, this is not sponsored. I just bought the shoe because I need one for daily wear. A pro tip if you belong to any of these populations, whether the group that has extra hydration more than normal, that account for a part of the body's insensible water losses down at the feet, yeah, if you're a part of that group, or you are part of the group that sheds dead skin cells a little faster than the population, or you're a part of the group that, I don't know which other group, but if you fall in anyone, oh, the other group is the group that likes sugar, and you know Candida likes sugar. If you're part of that group, you're not leaning off the sugar. The solution is, other than, you know, pedicures and whatnot, you can wear a foot cover. So Google what a foot cover is, and that will help you to keep down the cheesy. That will help you a lot. Or if it's not so bad for you, consider wearing a stocking. And stockings look cuter than foot covers anyway. And I like them. They're ugly, but I like them. Is that a statement? They're ugly on my feet, but I like them still. Alright, so the sizing was pretty accurate. So I could have gotten away with a 10.5. So I know somebody's gonna ask me if I have stopped shooting hair content. Absolutely not. The truth is, sorry for you if you can't lip read and I know the truth. I have one editing for, I think it's Zipporah. I have a video editing for Zipporah from long time. But you know me chat enough, so maybe cut down the video them. I will see you. It's bye from the Blue Blouse channel. See you again next time, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.